So, today I wanted to do one of the modifications I spoke about, because one of the things I didn't like with the RakJak was how loud it was when it went down. Allow me to demonstrate. Going up's fine, going up. Goes up, nice and fine, but when it goes down, it's quite loud. I think it's even louder when there's actually something sitting on it. Actually, definitely a lot louder when there's something sitting on it, like a pickup truck. So I went on eBay and I found these. They are pneumatic exhaust silencers. These ones are an eighth inch BSP, and they're filled with, I think that it looks like they're filled with like glass beads or plastic beads. You hear them? But these just fit in the exhaust hole. Well, they would do if it was threaded for this, which we're going to do. We're going to get a tap it out a little bit, see if we get them threaded. You could probably get away with shaving them down a bit, covering them in epoxy and just sticking them in. But since it's just nice soft aluminium, we will tap it out and put it in. So I'll blow up the bag so I can blow the tap, well, the material, blow the metal out the hole as we're tapping it, and hopefully not get anything inside, because that would be fairly bad. Right, let's get the appropriate tap. Oh Jesus. El Cheapo tap and die kit. What we got? Oh, what did I say? 1/8. 1/8 inch. 1/8 inch. Should you be that one? It should be the same thread thing. Looks pretty close, yeah. Right, we'll give that a go. You sit there. You sit there. One of them. One of them. Hopefully it'll be long enough. If not, there's an extension. Looks like an extension. What does that fit into? Anyway, okay. I'm waffling. Go on with it, David. For fuck's sake. Right, let's blow this up. Some on it. Done on its side. Oh. Guarantee this voids all warranties that RakJak give you, or Zendex, sorry. But hey, I want to try it, see if it makes it quieter. I would have used the decibel meter, but Paul's got it. Something like this. Will it be long enough? It will be long enough. WD-40 for aluminium. Not WD-40 for aluminium, but WD-40 for aluminium. You know what I meant. You know what I meant. Let's get this vaguely square in all axes. It catches that. Oh well, I think we used the littler one, which I think works. Will it fit in this? Please let it fit in this. No, damn it. Doing my tap one-handed. Man, this is going to be awkward. Oh, come on. That's it, I'm getting vice grips. I'm doing it. Don't judge me, it's happening. We're using vice grips. It's only aluminium, it's nice and soft. We just needed to start. And blow some stuff out. Which one's down? That one. All right. But we only need a few threads. Whew, come back. Two threads done. It's a little bit squint, but I want to say I'm dropping off today, but I forgot I covered everything in WD-40. Right, let's stand that back up. Did it make an audible difference? Oh, it did. We'll blow that back up. Let's put some pressure on it. Hey! That's actually all right now. No, here, I'm pleased with that. Granted, it's not... Oh, mine's not the prettiest, because I got it squint. Get down, motherfucker. But that significantly... Whoop, that makes it a lot quieter. For not a lot of work or effort. Tappy tappy. I will do the other RakJak as well. I'll even try and do it better by making the threads straight and tapping properly, but that's so much quieter. I'm happy with that. As a result, oh, for the price of some of, I think they were maybe £2 each delivered. Or maybe it was £2 for the pair delivered. I don't know, anyway, they're cheap as dirt. eBay, perfect. Zendex, if you're watching, unless there's a good reason not to have an exhaust silencer, please fit exhaust silencers, because it makes them so much nicer both. Especially if you're using them on a rack, you're like literally using them at face height almost, because it's loud. I mean, it's loud. Not anymore. That's that fixed. I can now go and put it back under the car and go back to work.